Experiencing issues with your Simple Mobile hotspot? This section will guide you through the most common causes and solutions, covering plan limitations, APN settings, password problems, and device limits. First, ensure your Simple Mobile plan includes hotspot support and that you haven't exceeded your high-speed data allowance. Simple Mobile's unlimited plans often throttle hotspot speeds to 128 kbps after 22 gigabytes of usage. To check your data usage, use the Simple Mobile app. Next, verify your APN settings. The correct APN for Simple Mobile is simple. Incorrect APN settings can cause no internet errors. You can manually configure APN in your device's mobile data settings. For password problems, hotspots use WPA2/3 security. Default passwords are on the device label. If forgotten, reset via router settings to avoid unauthorized access. Finally, device limits. Simple Mobile hotspots support up to 10 devices. Exceeding this limits connections and can cause disconnections. The limit is enforced at the hardware level, not plan-based. If your plan and APN settings are correct, check password issues. Simple Mobile hotspots use WPA2/3 security for protection against unauthorized access. The default password is printed on the device label. If forgotten, access the hotspot's web interface at 192.168.1.1 to reset it without losing data. Simple Mobile hotspots generally support up to 10 devices, though this can vary by model. Exceeding this limit causes disconnections, as it's enforced at the hardware level, not based on your plan. Statistics show 15% of support tickets involve device limits. To reset the password, connect a device to the hotspot, open a web browser, and go to 192.168.1.1. Navigate to the Wi-Fi settings section, enter a new strong password, save the changes, and reconnect your devices. This avoids factory resets and data loss. As mobile hotspot usage increases 40% in recent years, Simple Mobile focuses on app-based diagnostics and AI-driven fixes to improve reliability. Future trends include Wi-Fi 7 adoption by 2026 for faster speeds and device limits up to 20+, plus AI-optimized data allocation to prevent failures and reduce support calls by 50%.